Hi friends, this is Dr. Ibhu, and as we all know these days coronavirus has taken everybody on alarm. So today's topic would be on coronavirus, that things that you shouldn't do in order to prevent the infection from coronavirus. Yes, there are certain things that would be implemented in order to prevent the infection from coronavirus. So friends, the internet is filled with a lot of information these days about the virus, its spread, which is wrong, and it's causing panic among people. So I would really request the people all around that please do not panic, because since when somebody panics, you tend to take wrong decisions. So please do not panic, stay calm and just protect yourselves, follow the precautions properly. And guys, the one of the most important thing would be really important to let you know is please do not touch your face. Please avoid touching your face, since medical advisories from World Health Organization have reminded us from time to time not to touch our face. So just keep your hands away from your face. Do not touch your eyes, do not touch your nose, do not touch your lips, because once the infection catches, it enters the inside the body through our nose and mouth. So we have to be extra precautious. And once we stop touching our face, it helps in reducing the chances of spreading or catching the infection inside the body. So infection would not reach our body, so it would be till our hands, and we have to just keep on washing our hands from time to time. Yeah, so just keep your hands clean, and it would also reduce the chance of spreading the infection. Guys, you can use a hand wash. Just take it and properly just move it all around, rub it properly on your hands, and then you can clean your hands properly. At least for 20 seconds you have to use the hand wash. And you can also use the alcohol based hand rub or a sanitizer, alcohol sanitizer, in order to clean your hands properly. And maintain the habit of not touching your face or not rubbing your face, guys. It's really important. And please do not stockpile on these mouth masks. Any mouth mask, even World Health Organization has told that mouth mask is not the most effective way of stopping the spread of infection. So everyone is jumping onto the mouth masks, and there's a lot of crunch in the market for mouth masks. So we have to really avoid, we have to wear the mouth mask only if we feel that infection has been contracted, or if you feel symptoms like sneezing and headache or fever, then surely you can go for mouth mask. And it is also for people who are treating the patients, in order to prevent them from spreading of the coronavirus infection. So people who are taking care of patients have to wear mask, and wearing mask, especially if you are healthy, does not give you any extra protection. So guys, if you're healthy and you're wearing a mask thinking that you'll be protected from corona, it is not the case. So you just have to follow certain precautions, right? So talking of the mouth mask, accumulating or collection of mouth mask would not help you in any case. So this they should only be worn by the people who have been affected, who have been already affected by coronavirus. So in that case, or the people who are treating the patients, so they should wear the mouth mask. So try and don't create the crunch in the market for mouth masks, so that the needy people could not get the mouth mask, since they're not available in the market. And guys, most important point, I know we all are fond of traveling, but please do not travel unnecessary. Please do not traveling unnecessary, going to airports or just boarding the airplanes, it's not going to help you out in this, because these are the places which are more likely to catch infection. Yeah, these places are more likely to catch infections. So you have to avoid going to the public places, and only travel if it is absolutely necessary, and it's if it is really important for you. Otherwise, avoid traveling in the public places. And if you find that you have to travel, if you feel that you have to travel, just make sure to take certain necessary precautions, like keep using your hand rub or sanitizer, do not touch your face, do not touch the public places, and maintain isolation from crowded places, maintain isolation from people in order to prevent the spread of infection, or in order to keep the infection away. And you can also, get the screening done at the airport itself. If you feel after coming, back after landing, if you feel some symptoms sort of, then you can just get your screening done. And if you feel that you have already contracted the symptoms, you can check with your medical practitioner. You can also contact the healthcare personnel for this. And guys, please do not go to crowded areas. Please avoid traveling in the bus, or traveling in metro, or going to gym, or going to marketplaces. Please try and avoid it for some time, if unless if it is absolutely necessary, try and avoid. Because the once once a person gets the symptoms, it's really difficult to just avoid it. So we have to be extra careful, extra precautious while we go to the public places. Because guys, please do not believe in internet every time. All the information is not correct on internet. So the internet is filled with a lot of information that is creating panic amongst people, and spreading false information and promises about the cure. It's something that that is added to the panic amongst the general population, or the people of the country. So we have to be just clear with it. And there are a lot of health kits, I think, that are being available in the market. A lot of alternatives and advertisements about the health kits that are the ways to cure infection. They're also doing the rounds on internet. Please do not fall into such kind of traps, and do not propagate any such information if it is not from a reliable source. Yeah. And we all have a habit of eating medicines if we feel any kind of symptoms. Like if we have headache, we'll take the medicine for a headache. If we have fever, we'll take antipyretic or the medicine of fever. Please do not do this in this case. If don't grab, if you feel some symptoms like sneezing or headache, please do not grab onto the antibiotics from your medical kit, because it would not help. It'll just harm your body. It is not of any importance to your health. So please do not grab onto antibiotics or any other alternative treatments, because they are not found to be effective in this treatment of coronavirus. So it is advisable to please follow the advice of only and only your doctor, your medical practitioner. And if you are infected and if you are not seeking the correct medical attention, you also pose a threat to other people around you. Please, it's really important for you to contain the spread of disease, that everyone please consult your doctor. In this case, do not do the treatment yourself. Do not go for antibiotics unnecessary. And there's a lot of propagation about the hostility against Asians. So please, it's a kind of discrimination. It's a racial discrimination, I would say. Please do not spread hostility against Asians, and because it will only create a panic, kind of fear in the country, in the society. So it is important that we do not propagate this kind of mass hysteria. And being well informed is, I think, is the key in fighting all the infection. Please be aware, be well informed about the knowledge, and please do not panic. It is really important. And if you don't panic, it is less likely that you will catch the disease. It's important to keep you up to date with the reliable information. And please don't get into any kind of wrong information. Just follow the right instructions, and please take care of yourselves, and do follow the instructions that I gave you. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share more and more to create the awareness amongst the population. Share this video to a large extent, so that people be aware of what is going through. Because guys, whatever I have told you is according to World Health Organization. So please follow it religiously, and I'm sure everyone would be safe. All right, take care.